Hey everyone, this is Pastor Larice. So I'm coming to you with updates about our missions in Freetown, Sierra Leone. My husband and I are missionaries in Freetown, and right now I'm stateside with the children. He's in Freetown. We're very excited because he's going to be coming next week to come and get us. And when we go back, we're going back with the team from our fellowship, our bishop, and some members from Living Word are coming with us on our first mission trip that we'll be hosting over in Freetown. So we are super excited to host the team. The team is starting to gather things that they need and what we want to do. Um, we've had a full summer. I've had a full summer here at Crossover serving the church, but very excited to see my husband and to for us to be doing ministry together again after a couple months. So the team is coming, and we have a agenda of different things we want to do, including praying and dedicating the place of worship, praying and dedicating the water well that's been dug. And there are different ministries and partners and friends that we want to visit and be a blessing to. So that brings me to a way that you can be a blessing to us. We want to bless an orphanage that's very near and dear to my family's heart. This orphanage is very, very special to us, and we want to be a blessing to them. So right now we're collecting toys, we're collecting toiletry items, especially for small children, like baby soaps and gentle lotions and things like that. And we are collecting clothing for small children as well. So some people have asked, are there ways they're not able to go on the mission trip? They're not able to come over yet, but are there ways they can support? Of course, we take financial support for our family as missionaries. We take financial support and donations for the actual building projects. And also, right now, we're collecting those physical items to bless the orphanage with. I don't want to share the details of the orphanage over social media, but supporters, I can share that with you privately and probably can send an email so everyone can know exactly where we're going and eventually see some pictures and hear some feedback of how the outreach went. But we're really excited to be able to do this with the team, and we're trusting God to use us. So we're asking everybody to keep us in your prayers and be thinking about us second week in August when we all head out and we hit the ground running to bring Jesus to Freetown, Sierra Leone. So God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much to all of the supporters so far. Everything that you've done, the way that you all have supported our family, have supported this ministry, and we are really excited to have the team over. We'll take some more footage and show the progress of the buildings, the progress of the community outreaches that we're doing, and all the things I know that God is going to do that we don't even know about yet. So God bless you all. Thank you so much for your time. If you have some of those items, you can reach out to me by messenger. If you are in Rochester, you can reach out to the team at Living Word, and we'll be happy to assist you with collecting those items. God bless you.